Hi, this is Solar Steve Esquire, and I'm the owner of Phoenix Solar Panel Systems. We help people save money by installing residential solar systems in 29 U.S. states across the country. Go to phoenixsolarpanelsystems.com or use the booking links in the description of this video to book a free solar consultation with me. I offer in-person consultations for homeowners in the Phoenix, Arizona area and virtual consultations for homeowners outside of Arizona. Or call this number right here to book a consultation with me. Here we will discuss going solar in Arizona Public Service APS territory in the Phoenix, Arizona area. Going solar makes a lot of financial sense for homeowners in APS territory. Due to APS's high electricity rates, customers that choose to generate their own rooftop solar power can save a substantial amount of money. APS is a private company, which means they come under the regulation of the Arizona Corporation Commission, or ACC. The ACC's role is to regulate public utilities, grant or deny rate adjustments, and set Arizona's clean energy rules. When a home with solar produces extra energy that is not used immediately, the extra energy is sent to APS's grid. APS then sells this energy to their other customers and credits the generating homeowner's bill for supplying the APS grid with power. The rate at which APS credits homeowners for sending power to the grid is known as the buyback rate or solar export rate. APS's buyback rates drop 10% every year on September 1st, so you should install your solar system now to lock in a buyback rate. When you install solar before September 1st, you lock in APS's buyback rate for a period of 10 years. Homeowners that go solar now will lock in higher APS buyback rates and will save more money with solar. Homeowners that wait to install solar will save less and less money every year as the buyback rate continues to drop. APS offers relatively high buyback rates when compared to the other Phoenix, Arizona area electric utility Salt River Project, or SRP, which means that Phoenix Solar Panel Systems builds larger systems in APS so customers can take advantage of these high buyback rates. In APS, we aim to build solar systems that produce 100% to 115% of the home's historical energy use over the last 12 months with the goal of maximizing our customers' savings. The amount of savings our solar customers will see in APS depends on which APS rate plan they choose and how they use energy after their solar installation. Going solar is not a license for a family to use as much energy as they want in the home. The family must still be responsible and aware of how APS bills customers to save the most amount of money possible. We guide our customers to choose the right APS solar price plan and educate the customer on how to save the most amount of money by appliance and energy use management. APS has two rate plans for customers that go solar, the time of use plan and the time of use with demand charge plan. We discuss these rate plans in detail on the APS solar price plan page of our website, and also we have a video on all the APS solar price plans that you can watch. If you have any questions about going solar in APS territory, please feel free to call us at 602-753-0560. Thanks for watching. Don't go anywhere. Keep watching for my next video where I go over the two APS solar price plans.
Call us at 602-753-0560 for a free consultation today.